Debrid versus AllDebrid versus LinkSnappy versus RapidLeech. Best Premium Downloader 2025. Let's break down which one is actually worth your money without touching anything illegal. Debrid is super popular for a reason. It is fast, easy to use, and integrates well with apps like Kodi. But note that it works best with supported hosts and isn't a full cloud downloader. AllDebrid is a close second. It is cheaper, has a generous host list, and browser extensions that make link unlocking seamless. But speeds can vary. LinkSnappy supports a wide range of hosts and cloud storage options. It offers great flexibility for backing up and downloading large files legally. RapidLeech is a script, not a service. It's for tech-savvy users who want to run their own downloader server. Flexible but not beginner-friendly. Final verdict: for everyday premium link downloading, Debrid or AllDebrid are the best combo of value and ease. For more advanced control, LinkSnappy wins. Like and follow for more no-fluff comparisons.